नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब गजाली कार्यावळीन सद्या एक स्कीम लॉन्च करपाचें सरकार चिंतता आनी ताचें नांव आसा डेपॉझीट रिफंड स्कीम. आतां ह्या स्किमी वरवीं जर तुमी खंयचोय बाटली घेतली किंवा खंयची अशी गजाल घेतली जाका लागून पर्यावरणाक त्रास जातलो, जे थंय तुमी उडयले की ती गार्बेज जातली, जाल्यार ताजेर एक सर्टन एमावंट तुमचे कडल्यान घेतले आनी ती बाटली परत हाडून दिली जाल्यार तुमकां तो पयशे परत मेळटले. आतां 1 एप्रील पासून ही स्कीम लॉन्च जावपाची आसा. आतां आमकां दिशिल्लें ही स्कीम जातली स्मूथ जातली, पुणून देर इज अ सेक्शन जांणी ह्या स्किमी विशीं आपली चिंता परगटायल्या. आनी तें सेक्शन म्हटल्यार दीस कंप्रायजीस ऑफ वेरियस डिस्ट्रिब्युटर्स एंड अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स हू आर पार्ट ऑफ दीस चेन. सो त्या विशयाचेर उलोवपा खातीर आमचे बरोबर आसा डेरिल पेरेरा. ही आर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल गोवा FMCG एंड टेलिकॉम डिस्ट्रिब्युटर्स एसोसिएशन. वेलकम सर. आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा चेतन कापडी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द एसोसिएशन. सो यू बिलोंग टू सेम एसोसिएशन. ओके सर, एक सांगा, वॉट इज युअर वरी? तुमकां चिंता कसली आसा ह्या स्किमी विशीं?
Actually, we have lots of worries. Starting with, there has been no discussion at all with any of the stakeholders, whether it be manufacturers, distributors, retailers, even general public. Scheme was gazetted. The gazette notification came in August 2024. We were called for a meeting with the scheme administrator on January 7th, 2026.
Okay.
And informed that from 1st April you will have to follow this scheme. This is something
that to start with, that you are not taken into confidence.
Not at all.
You are shocked after that.
Absolutely.
Because the process of this scheme is that each product, each non-biodegradable product has to have a QR code, which will be provided by the scheme administrator. But who is going to put that QR code is the manufacturer. So many of the manufacturers, most of the manufacturers supplying for Goa are saying that how can we have special packaging only for Goa? First thing. Secondly, it takes time for us to change any packaging. Manufacturers, they have told us that they have spoken to manufacturers, but we are a body of 300 distributors. We have 300 members with us. Maybe 1 or 2 members have said that they have heard about this scheme before. Rest 298 members have not heard of this scheme. Their companies or principals have not heard about this scheme. So the starting point, if you have not taken into confidence and explained to them, further how पुढे किती जातले?
So हाजी चेन, I'll come to you. हाजी चेन कशी, how it starts की मॅन्युफॅक्चरर आसा, तो तयार करता प्रोडक्ट, ताका एक QR कोड घालचो पडटा. फुडें
सो तो मॅन्युफॅक्चरर जो आसा पळय, तो जितले प्रोडक्ट्स तो बील करतलो आपल्या डिस्ट्रिब्युटराक, ताजे ताणें तितले अमावंट ऑफ मनी ताका तो सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरच्या अकाउंटान घालचे पडटले.
आतां हातून कितें कितें तें सांग. एक बाटली येता,
हातून सगळे तुमचे प्लास्टिकान जे बॉटल्स असतात, मागीर तुमचे जे हें आसा पळय मल्टी लेयर्ड, ताका कार्डबोर्ड म्हणटा. म्हणजे तुमी हय ट्रॉपिकाना घेयात काय रियल ज्युसीस घेयात.
No, multi-layer packaging like your chips packets and farsan packets. All these are multi-layer packets.
ते जाले. मागीर तुमचे चॉकलेट्सान कॅडबरीज घेयात, तुमी नेस्लेचे चॉकलेट्स घेयात, तो सगळ्यो तो बेसिकली कितें आसा, तुमी खंयच्याय सुपर सेंटर काय जनरल स्टोरान वचात, तुमकां जे 95% ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जे तुमकां दिसतले, जे तुमी स्वता घरा हाडटात, दे आर ऑल कमिंग अंडर दीस पॉलिसी. 95% ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर कमिंग अंडर दीस पॉलिसी.
दुधा पॅकेटां मातशें
एक्झॅम्प्ट केला.
आणि एक्झॅम्प कितें जाला, एक दुधा पॅकेट,
फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, मेडिकल बी असतात,
आणि फूड पॅकेज.
फूड म्हणजे तुम्ही ते स्विगी झोमॅटोतल्यान जे तुम्ही मागयतले ते ना,
ती पिशवी परत दिवपाची गरज
हय ती ना,
ती हरशी कागदानूच येता. ओके,
बाकी
सो
सगळे
थंयच्यान सुरू जाता. मागीर
थंयच्यान मॅन्युफॅक्चरर कडच्यान स्टार्ट जातलें. मॅन्युफॅक्चरर कितें करतलो, तो पयशे तो गव्हर्मेंटाक काय ते सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक दितलो, आणि ही विल रिकवर दॅट मनी ₹5 आसा पळय ते फ्रॉम द डिस्ट्रिब्युटर. डिस्ट्रिब्युटर कितें करतलो, वेन ही गोज टू डिस्ट्रिब्यूट द प्रोडक्ट, तो रिटेलरा कडेन ते घेतलो, आणि जे कस्टमर रिटेलर आसा पळय तो जेन्ना कस्टमराक विकतलो actually he is supposed to take MRP as per the
Ah.
MRP. Now from 1st of April he will take MRP plus 5 rupees in case of 20 rupees and above, and 20 rupees and below he will take MRP plus 2 rupees.
2 rupees.
This will be the customer is paying deposit, म्हणजे तो आपले deposit दिता ताका.
ओके.
आणि मागीर the real challenge in this entire scheme is for the customer. आणि म्हणून हांव तांकां आमी म्हणटा इट इज अँटी पीपल. इट इज अ अँटी पीपल पॉलिसी बिकॉज each and every person staying in Goa who will purchase these products will have to stand in a line outside the collection center with a bag in his hand, garbage bag, and he will have to give it back to collect his own money.
हां.
हातून एक मिसकन्सेप्शन कितें जाला की म्हजी कॉलनी आसा पळय, आय हॅड रिटर्न दिस. सो वन जेंटलमॅन, व्हेरी लर्नड गाय, he replied saying that ki what is your problem, it's a good scheme, whoever wants to stand in the line can stand in the line and recover and get money. When I explained to him, sir, अशी ना ती, it is your money. So supposing तुम्ही ते तुमचे कडेन 2 चॉयस आसतले, एक तर लायनीन राव आणि स्वताचे पयशे रिकवर कर, ना जाल्यार काडून ते भायर मार आणि दुसरो कोण तरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेता, पण इन दॅट केस यू हॅव लॉस्ट द मनी. So basically,
एक्स्ट्रा पैसे
hi, so basically the customer is losing on both the fronts. Either he is losing his time by standing in the line and to recover his money. Otherwise, he is losing his money. म्हणजे तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जावन ताणें आपल्याक काय येना गेल्यार वचू पयशे तशें.
सो दॅट इज ऑब्जेक्शन. आनी तुमकां डिस्ट्रिब्युटरांक ऑब्जेक्शन कितें आसा? आयडियली एज अ डिस्ट्रिब्युटर,
See, as a distributor, simple कितें जाता, we are operating on very small profit margins. हातून कितें जातलें, प्रत्येक आयटमाचेर 5-5 रुपया आमकां मॅन्युफॅक्चराक दिवचे पडटले. कळ्ळें तुका? एट द टायम वेन ही इज बिलिंग अस द स्टॉक, त्या 5 रुपयाचेर आमकां बेनिफीट कांय ना, बिकॉज आमी 5 रुपया मॅन्युफॅक्चराक दितले, ते 5 रुपया आमी रिटेलरा कडेन रिकवर करतले. सो आमी आमचे पयशे ब्लॉक जाले, वीच वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी बेनिफीट आउट ऑफ दॅट. आणि खुबशे आमचे डिस्ट्रिब्युटर आसा, तांचे कडेन अशे लाखांनी प्रोडक्ट्स आसता. सो तांचे कितले मल्टिपल्स तांगेले पयशे ब्लॉक जाले.
पयशे ब्लॉक जाले.
हय, till the
Mine itself is like 1 lakh units inventory.
ओके.
so 1 lakh into 5
chips people or say like
chocolates.
chocolates, there are many units. There will be much more than that. Super stockists will have say maybe 5 lakh, 8 lakh, 10 lakhs inventory pieces. Each piece, we are talking about each non-biodegradable packaging piece.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु. अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद. कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु.
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी. पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो.
आणि देर इज नो बेनिफिट ऑन दॅट न्ही, काय तुमकां पयशे कांयच मेळना ताजेर.
That means for me 5 lakhs is blocked
Unnecessary.
in the
Scheme.
Products.
which I have to give back to the manufacturer.
ओके.
As soon as manufacturer bills me, I have to pay him that.
And you have to recover it from a retailer.
Yes.
But
And retailer from the customer.
Yes,
Customer.
yes.
Okay. So finally customer eventually will pay.
will
Yes.
pay.
And but
Over
retailer
and
will
above
pay to
MRP.
you. तुमच्याकडे येवपाचं काय प्रॉब्लेम
Yeah, but then my holding stock is blocked. No, that much money. Monthly, if my stock is 1 lakh, that means 5 lakhs of mine is blocked.
ना पण जेन्ना ते हातून एक सायकल जावन पडटली पळय आनी
Yes.
तेन्ना
Then
तुमकां
I will get back. But then I will bought more stock, no?
लॉस जावचें ना.
न्ही रुपेश बाब, हांव तुमकां एकूच विचारता पळय, तुमी सगळ्यान पयलीं, आय एम अ डिस्ट्रिब्युटर, बट आय स्टे इन तालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. ओके. आतां तुमी पळयात, हांव गार्बेज टॅक्स दिता पंचायतीक. पंचायतचो मनीस एवरी डे मॉर्निंग विदाउट एनी he comes to my door, he collects the garbage and he goes. Right? I am very happy with the system. I don't have to step out of my house. Okay.
दारान
दारान
सेग्रेगेटेड गार्बेज
Okay.
कलेक्ट करता.
आता 1st एप्रिलच्यान कितें जातलें, बिकॉज आय हॅव माय डिपॉझीट मनी इज ब्लॉक्ड, बिकॉज आय एम पेईंग दॅट रिटेलर एट द टायम ऑफ परचेज. तो म्हजे पयशे ब्लॉक जाले, जे 100 रुपया 200 रुपया ते हांवें जमा करून दवरले. आय कांट गिव इट टू दीस गाय, बिकॉज इफ आय गिव देन आय हॅव फॉरफिटेड माय मनी इज गॉन. सो म्हजे भशेन मनीस आतां जो सुशेगाद आसा, हाका तुमी लायनीन उबो करता. हांव म्हणटा हांवें लायनीन कित्याक उबें रावपाचें. आयज हांव आमचो MLA आसा तालिगांवचो मिस्टर बाबू शिमोनसरात, आय मेट हिम पर्सनली. आय टोल्ड हिम द सेम थींग. Secondly, I told him in Taligaon Panchayat there will be so many elderly people, senior citizens. Do you want them to stand in the line to recover their own money? Thirdly, there are disabled people in Taligaon. Do you want them to stand in the line to recover money? Do you expect tourists who come to enjoy Goa to stand in the line to recover their money? And do you think that they will be very happily going back home? They will
With
feel
this-
cheated, yes, absolutely. So हे सगळे जे आसा पळय न्ही, that is why it is a anti-people policy. See, distributors will suffer, retailers will also suffer, companies also will suffer. There are so many companies who have said कि if this is implemented, we are not interested in doing business in Goa.
अच्छा अशें बी
Yes,
म्हणटा.
हांव तुमकां
what
नांव
is the-
सांगता.
हय
Fruity
Don't-
म्हणून
don't-
ब्रँड आसा, Fruity.
हय
ताजो वायस प्रेसिडेंट इज Mr. Sanjeev Borkar. He has told me, I am exiting from Goa. I am doing a 4 crore sale, but I am exiting from Goa because
Ah.
of this policy.
मागीर तांकां जी फ्रुटी आसता पळय न्ही ती जी सिंधुदुर्गान फ्रुटी विकतात तीच गोंयानूच विकता सो पॅकेजींग सेम आसता
हय.
सो सद्याक गोंयान विकतलो जाल्यार तांकां सेपरेट पॅकेजींग करचें
ना,
पडटा
Or you'll have to put a sticker.
Sticker.
Now with fruity, what will happen? You put it in the fridge. You take it out because of that cold, that sticker can come out. Sticker will get lost. Your money is gone.
No, but as far as liquor bottles are concerned, I think there is special packaging for as far as Goa is concerned. थंय ते special बरयल्ले not to be sold outside Goa. And तशें आसता already existing things are there.
That may be excise because of excise.
So this would be just like that thing, no? थोड्या दिसांनी आमकां संवय जातली अशी दिसना तुमकां?
न्ही, पळय,
See, like
कशें आसा, पळय.
this company now, they're doing
See,
4,000
म्हाका-
crores,
see,
4,000 crores
ना, ना,
business,
मा-
and you are doing 4 crores in Goa. 4 crores in Goa, you are saying, okay, I'm ready because of my business is 4,000 crores. 4 crores I'm ready to forfeit in Goa.
नहीं, नहीं.
But what is going to happen to Goan distributors? There are 8 distributors. They'll have to shut down. 8 distributors shut down means they have about 70 to 75 employees. You're going to shut down because these people are manufacturers are saying we don't want to get involved. This is too much of a headache for us to implement. We'll be shutting down our distributors. These are my members.
That is a setback you say. Okay, आपण
सगळ्यात-
म्हणटा की
सगळ्यात
संवय
पयलीं
जाता.
हांव परत परत सांगता की सी यू लूक फ्रॉम अ स्टँड पॉयंट ऑफ द कस्टमर. नाव इफ यू रिमेंबर डिमॉनिटायझेशन, रायट, आमी लायनीन रावले, आमचेच पयशे घेवन आमी लायनीन रावले, आमकां कितें फायदो जालो? कांयच जावना न्ही. आमी 500 रुपया काय 1000 रुपयाची नोट दिली, आमकां तितलेच पयशे मेळ्ळे, आमकां कांय फायदो जावना.
ना.
आमचो टायम वेस्ट जालो, ओगीच ते रावचें पडलें. सेम थिंग. आणि डिमॉनिटायझेशन वॉज फॉर 2-3 months. हियर दिस इज अ लायफ लाँग. म्हणजे आतां आमी अशे मनाची निर्धार करपाचो की लायफ लाँग कोण ना कोण फ्रॉम वन हाऊस होल्ड एकटो मनीस वचून ते लायनीन रावतलो आपले ती गार्बेज बॅग घेवन. सो वेदर वी आर रेडी टू फॉर दॅट. हांवें मिस्टर मोन्सेराताक तेच म्हणलें की अरे सर, नाव यू हॅव गिवन अस द फेसिलिटी ऑफ डोर स्टेप यू आर कलेक्टिंग. अगेन वाय यू वॉन्ट मी टू स्टँड इन द लाईन? सो ही हॅड नो आन्सर्स फॉर दॅट.
This is not being stopped.
Hmm.
This waste management system
And
that is
that will
there,
continue.
that is continuing.
Only to save your money, you have to go in the line and
Yeah.
earn back your money. That is what I-
Get your
So
money back.
this is a doubles.
But how do
thing.
you react to this? The entire scheme came up during a discussion in the house, wherein there was complaints की glass bottles तोडटा बिचाचे. सो ताका लागून इंजरीज जाता. सो तांणी म्हटलें, टुरिजम मिनिस्टरान म्हटलेलें, रोहन खंवटेन, इफ आय कॅन रिकॉल प्रॉपरली, तांणी म्हटलें की अरावंड जे आसा तांकां आमी सांगतले बॉटल परत हाडून दिया आनी पयशे भरा. ही जर आमी केलें जाल्यार ते बॉटल कोणूच बिचाचेर दवरचो ना म्हणून. आनी इट वॉज, आय थिंक, वॉज inspiration for this scheme.
Maybe, but my point is that to solve one issue of say bottles, there must have been about I think 30 cases of injuries due to these bottles thrown on beaches last year. 30 cases. For 30 cases, you are
Penalizing.
going to the whole of Goa. You are going to put this new scheme, and everybody is going to be suffering for it. Instead of concentrating, say maybe use more manpower to clean the beaches, or stop people with taking bottles onto the beach itself. There are so many other procedures you can do to stop that. But to do if you are saying that it is because of that you want to implement this scheme, then it makes no sense.
बट डोंट यू थिंक आता तुमचं ओपोजिशन टू स्कीम एंटायरली आसा, पर से आसा काय? दीस यू थिंक कॅन बी मॉडिफायड in a way that it could be easier and
So
helpful for
today,
people.
when I was speaking again to Mr. Our MLA, Mr. Monserrat, so he said की if we are आमचे तुमच्या घरा जो मनीस येता पळय ताजे कडेन जर स्कॅनर दिलो जाल्यार तुजें कितें आसा? I said then I have got no problem. See, my issue is that की going and standing in the line to recover my
If
own money.
garbage collector becomes representative of this company, what I understood is that there is
Recycal.
Recycal, RECYKAL is a company which is entitled to collect and then give money. आता garbage collector would supposedly becomes representative of that company and he carries back आणि all this is take एक हांवें what I read in a press note की ते पयशे तुमच्या हातान मेळचे ना ते तुमच्या बँकेन वतले
Yes.
डायरेक्टली. सो तोच समज जाल्यार then you have
तो
no
आणि एक
problem.
प्रॉब्लेम आसा न्ही. आतां म्हाका सांगात, कॅन यू मिन्स एवरीबडी हॅज अ स्मार्टफोन, एवरीबडी हॅज अ UPI अकाउंट असं ना न्ही. खुबशेच लोक आसतले जे जाणटे आसा तांचे कडेन स्मार्टफोन नासतले, मागीर तांणी कितें करपाचें? आपले पयशे सोडपाचे. काय तांचे कडेन जर UPI ना जाल्यार तांणी कितें करपाचें? आनी हातून खुबशे तुमकां इम्प्लिमेंटेशन इश्यू आसा. म्हणजे फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टिकरींग, ते स्टिकर जर पडलें खंय, आतां
Not scanning.
एक टूथपेस्ट तुमी घेतली, टूथपेस्ट काय तुम्ही एका दिसान सोंपयना न्ही, ताका एक म्हयनोभर लागता. ते म्हयन्याभरान समज ते QR कोड तो स्टिकर आसा तो खंय तरी पडलो, पयशे गेले तुमचे.
टूथपेस्टाची कितें हें परत दिवपाचें काय भायली कास
ते मात खबर ना, ते विचारचे
भायली कास जाल्यार तुमी नेक्स्ट दिवपाक मेळटा.
whichever product is holding the suppose like I asked for a shampoo bottle. The bottle is holding the product, the used product.
Ah,
So that is
that
the,
is
that has the QR code.
सो
Not the
लाटणे
outer
घेवन
packaging.
टूथपेस्ट काडी सर रावचे पडले लास्ट रिसोर्ट. ओके, सो दॅट बट माय क्वेश्चन स्टील रिमेन्स इफ दीस गार्बेज कलेक्टर्स become representatives of this company, then I think ideally the issue is settled,
हय
except for tourists.
हय टुरिस्ट हय बरोबर, टुरिस्ट विल रिमेन.
Then the issue is settled.
Tourists also, because they buy a lot of things to take outside. No? Say
So they
cashew
कशे
nuts,
गेले?
alcohol, whatever they take and go. For them, it is a cost, extra cost.
Okay.
टुरिस्ट येता गोंयांत, तो कितें व्हरता? चडसो कॅश्यू नट्स घेवन वता.
Souvenirs.
सो ताजेर ताका ते स्टिकर पयशे दिवचे पडटले एक्स्ट्रा. ईच पॅकेट ही हॅज टू गिव ₹5. सो 10 पॅकेटां घेतल्यार ताका ₹50 ओवर एंड अबाव दिवचे पडले. ते पयशे तो केन्नाच रिकवर करचो ना.
मला हांगाच काजू खावन वचचे पडटले.
Or empty it and scan and go.
ओके, सो ते पयशे ते परत
मुकेश
वतले.
बाब, हांव सांगता तुमकां, तुमी आसता आतां, पूण फाल्यां समज तुमच्या घरात तुमकां जर डेजिग्नेट केलो की यू आर द पर्सन हू इज गोइंग टू गो अँड स्टँड इन दॅट लायन, मागीर यू विल नॉट बी स्मायलिंग. आय कॅन अश्युअर यू दॅट.
I'm just
आय
trying
एम
to
सेयिंग
imagine the things.
See, I am saying, कित्याक सांग, आता in my family I have been designated because they are saying ki you are free person on Sunday, you are not doing anything, so you go and stand in that line. So I am getting scared. So, similarly, I am telling
If
you.
collection center is open on Sunday.
Then other आणि म्हाका सांगात, working both the partners are working. That time what is the problem? Who will go and stand in the line? Why should he stand in the line? Again, why should he? म्हणजे ताणे कितें
So
वायट केलें?
don't you, आता हांवें आयकल्या ते प्रमाणे various other associations are also part of your
Yes.
thought process. I
Yes.
won't say protest right now.
Yeah.
I will just name it as a thought process.
Correct.
Till you come on the street and start protesting.
Correct.
So thought process to me they are also part of it. So have you done any kind of brainstorming to make sure this scheme could be modified and tailor-made to an extent ki whatever is required beneficial for people could be implemented?
So in the 1 month, actually, since we had our meeting, we've tried to reach out to lots of other associations. There's, in fact, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry was there for a representation to the MP. Goa State Industries Association also was involved. Beverage Association of India, International Spirits and Wines Association of India, in Goa Waste Management Association of India, of Goa. All these we started talking only now in this last 2 weeks as such. So we have not, we were supposed to all come and meet, but we have not had our first meeting to see what are the concerns. See, if everybody has got different concerns. Our concerns is that our investment is with the distributors. Somebody else, the waste management people is saying this is a duplicate system, then our revenues will go down. Beverage people are saying that you are
Bottling would be an issue.
no, they have a extended producer responsibility where 30% of the generated non-biodegradable that they generate has to go back for recycling, which they have already doing as per central government norms. They are already following that. So now they are saying that all the recyclable which they want to take will be with one person, this Recycal, because he'll be the collection center.
Correct.
So now he's the monopoly, so he will have, he will decide what price to give. So they have got different concerns.
I want to make a point. See, I got a call from a Pepsi company. Okay, so what they are asking me ki normally what happens ki glass bottles they are giving to all these shopkeepers and they are collecting it from there. Now from 1st of April they will have to put, because it's a glass bottle, 10 rupees.
No,
Glass
only
bottles.
glass alcohol is 10.
Okay.
The rest is 5.
So
5
5
rupees.
rupees. So
Okay.
5 rupees they will be putting over there. So when they will be putting 5 rupees, then the customer will be giving it to the collection center. Now he told me ki, how do I get my bottle back, because it's so I said you will have to go to the collection center and take it from them. So he said will they give it free of cost or what will they? That I said,
Or you have to buy it from them.
so I said that you will have to discuss with them, because ultimately that customer is not going to lose his 5 rupees, so he will go and give it there to the collection center. Now you have to go and pick it up from there.
And that will become a monopoly there.
Okay.
So how will you recycle this
and
glass?
that's a private company.
Hi,
anyways.
that's a private
Recycle is a private company.
And naturally, private means they want to make some money. Otherwise, no
Definitely.
one would invest in such ventures.
Definitely.
Lagi musi mai, melo kitre.
रस्ता पोच मरे
जॉन बाब टायर झाल्या मरे ब्रेक आनी केस लागतले
मुझे भाशे हड्डे जाले इथे
हॉडी चेंज कर मरे
कितें
टायर चेंज कर मरे
खंय चेंज केला बरें येच योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस
ओय योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्युशन एका जाग्यात नवे टायर्स विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी
Wah,
मॅगविल्स
wah,
टायर चेंज टायर सर्विस
wah.
नायट्रोजन गॅस बिल अलाइनमेंट एंड बॅलन्सिंग
अरे वा.
पेपरलेस बिलिंग आनी जायते हे सगळे बेस्ट प्राइस आनी एक्सप्रेस सर्विस
गाडी सारखी बटर आणि सर्विस सारखी फास्ट मरे
फास्ट नो एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल आलेम हायवे मारगांव आनी मग दोतरा घेवत मरे
पळय
So that this is so. My question still remains कि ये समज modify. Is there any possibility of modification? काय तुमका you want it to be completely scrapped?
ना पळयात रुपेश बाब,
We are not against
ना
the.
अजून तुमकां सांगता न्ही, हांव परत सांगता की हाजो जो इम्पॅक्ट आसतलो पळय तो एंड कस्टमराक जातलो. ओके, आमकांय जातलो, पूण सगळ्यान चड इम्पॅक्ट त्या कस्टमराक जातलो. पूण कस्टमराक विचारूकूच ना. तुमी जर सर्वसाधारण कस्टमराक जर विचारत न्ही की तुमकां हें DRS खबर आसा, तो ताका हें DRS कितें तें खबरूच ना. ही थिंक्स दॅट की आपणे समज ते प्रोडक्ट भायर उडयलो, कोणे तरी घेवन गेलो, जो लायनीन रावतलो ताका पयशे मेळटले, बट ताका अजून खबर ना की बाबा आपले पॉलिसांतल्यान पयशे वतले.
आपल्याक एडिशनल पडटले.
येस, आपल्याक एक बर्डन आसतलो ताजो. वन्स ही कम्स टू नो दीस वेदर ही इज रेडी फॉर दीस स्कीम, दॅट हॅज टू बी
That has to be.
अदरवायज म्हाका सांगात लायनीन रावन दे गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. They will they will break the bottles there only. कोणे सांगला आमकां हांगा रावपा खातीर? अरे tomorrow you cannot expect that every day one person will go and stand in the line. It
That
will
is
be-
there.
हय.
म्हणटले त्या परस 5 रुपये लॉस जाल्ले बरोबर
हय. आणि 5 रुपये म्हणजे कितें? इट इज समबडीज हार्ड अर्न मनी. 5 रुपयाक तुम्ही ओवर अ टाइम इट बिकम्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी.
If you see your groceries, household groceries, definitely it will be about 1,000 to 2,000 rupees.
Yes,
is
who can
going
afford?
in deposits?
Everybody
Maybe you will
can
say, I for me it is not an issue. But what about the lowest strata? We have got the distributors have got drivers, delivery boys.
Aye.
They are not on salaries where they can say that 1,000, 2,000 I can.
But will
let go.
this lead to inflation by any chance? म्हणजे
I don't think-
ओव्हरऑल प्राइसिंग वाढतले.
सी कशें आसतलें की दीज आर ऑल हाऊसहोल्ड आयटम्स वीच हॅव टू बी कन्ज्युम्ड.
हय.
म्हाका सांगा, तुमी कितें चॉकलेट्स खावपाचे बंद करतले, काय तुमी चिप्स खावपाचे बंद करतले, काय तुमी घरा कडेन
ना पण म्हारगाय वाडटली तातूंत काय म्हणून.
नाही, डेफिनेटली न्ही. कित्याक सांग, ते आतां कस्टमरान थंय लायनीन रावन आपले रिकवर केले की मागीर ताका ताजे पयशे मेळ्ळे, बट ही हॅज लॉस्ट हीज टायम न्हू. टायम ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू गीव वॅल्यू टू टायम ऑल्सो. See, just standing in the line to get nothing in return is also such a waste of man hours. तुम्ही विचार करात
आय
नाही.
नो
We are not
जस्ट टू
thinking-
गेट माय मनी बॅक
जस्ट टू गेट म्हणजे तुमका फायदो कांयच ना. तुम्ही एका लायनीन रावल्या, तुमचे कडेन एक 500 रुपयाचे हें आसा, गार्बेज आसा, विच यू हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन 500 टू द रिटेलर. Just to recover that, you are standing in for 1 hour or 1 and 2 hours in the line. So is it not a waste of your time? Your time is money, sir.
Absolutely.
Magi.
That is what. So what if this scheme is implemented only in the coastal belt, जो पयलीं आशिल्ले तेजे प्रमाणे जर coastal beltनूच implement केली, then or for those wine shops or for beverages, जाल्यार तुमकां problem आसपाना.
तशें केल्यार काय प्रॉब्लेम ना.
No, but if you put it only for those wine shops, people will buy from some other wine shop.
नाही पण
How do you?
No, but
No,
what he is
practically,
saying,
how do you implement it?
Del, what he is saying, then the entire thing will not be there. The manufacturer will not put the QR codes. Only from that wine store, if somebody picks up, he will have to pay the money. And
He'll have to pay the
Yeah,
extra
but those
money.
wine stores will lose business, no?
Yeah,
Those
only
might
thing is
happen.
that हांगा
Those-
समज X अमाउंटाचे
That might
सोरो
happen.
मेळटा जाल्यार प्लस 5 रुपीज जातले. सो आमचे
आता all,
टुरिस्ट विल गेट इट फ्रॉम समवेअर
Yeah,
एल्स.
Kalangut Kandali, you will implement and say you will have to pay 10 rupees more for taking this bottle. They'll go and buy it from Porvorim.
हांगच्यान घेवन
But
जातले.
they will lose business. Those wine stores will not agree, no? That is the
Anyways, when
question of-
people go to Maharashtra and Sindhudurg, they carry their own liquor from here because you save a lot of money from them. That kind of thing will happen. Okay, so finally, आम्ही ऐकलं की you are meeting all the MLAs.
Yes.
we are we
Tell
have met
me about that.
7
कोणाकोणाक
meetings.
मेळ्ळें? What was the
so
reaction?
we have written actually to the CM.
Hmm.
We have written this letter to the CM. This was, I think, on the 9th. And we were asking for an appointment so that we could explain ki how this is anti-people. लोकांक कसो त्रास जातलो, including his constituency.
हय.
So people will be really upset with this scheme. It's absolutely anti-people. But unfortunately, he must be busy. We could not get an appointment. So now what we have decided is that go and meet all the MLAs.
Okay.
And we are asking them to think from the perspective of their own constituency citizens.
Okay.
की
People.
तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जो मनीस रावता
Hmm.
ताका कसो त्रास जातलो हे तुम्ही विचार करात. कळ्ळें तुमकां?
Okay.
सो आनी ते जेन्ना आमी तशें पीच करता पळय तेन्ना तांकां कळटा कितें हांव सांगता तें आमी. आज सुद्दां हांव डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी कडेन गेल्लो हांव आतां दनपारा 2 अपॉयंटमेंट आशिल्ली. वेन आय टोल्ड हिम, ही सेड आपूण उलयतलो CM कडेन, आपूण तुमकां घेवन वतलो एंड आय विल सी दॅट समथींग इज हॅपन.
You get audience with the chief.
Yes, absolutely. Because now those MLAs are there, they also did not know the intricacies of this. When हांवें तांकां अशें ओपनली सारकें फोडून सांगलें पळय की तांचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांक कसो त्रास जातलो, तांकां लायनीन रावचें पडटलें, ट्युरिस्ट लोक बेजार जातले, डिसेबल्ड लोकांक कशें रावतले लायनीन, सिनियर सिटीजन्स कितें करतले, तेन्ना तांकां कळ्ळें की येस दीस इज नॉट करेक्ट म्हणून. सो दॅट इज हॅपनिंग.
Okay. So देव बरें करूं. Anything else you want to add before we wind up the show?
I'm just hoping that as this scheme is just being brought out just like that, anything that has come, the stakeholders first needs to be taken on
into
board.
one. Okay.
And take the suggestions. I'm not saying our suggestions are right or very good, but at least take the suggestions. Then we don't have to get into this whole opposition kind of
Process of
Process.
meeting people
Yes.
and also thought process of opposition for the scheme. Okay, देव बरें करूं.
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you.
So this was a discussion and हांगा आमी there is a thought process. I won't call it a protest because protest happens when government doesn't listen. Here it's a thought process which is started, and this thought process is supported by fears, worries, and this thought process is actually coming from those stakeholders who will be the part of the chain in the implementation of this scheme. सो जर बाकीच्या कोणाचोय प्रश्न आशिल्ले वेगळे गजाल, जर त्या चेनीचेच पार्टाक जर प्रॉब्लम आसा देन ते कशे सक्सेसफूल जातले हाजेरूय सरकाराक विचार करचो पडटलो. सो वी होप आफ्टर दीस डिस्कशन हब गजाली गोज ऑन एअर there is some audience from the Chief Minister's office to those people who are having worries about this scheme, and there is some via media or solution worked out for this entire worries म्हणटा पळय तशें म्हणजे जेंकां चिंता आसा ताका एक कितें तरी सोल्युशन वर्कआउट जावपाचें. तुमी पळयतात हब गजाली ऑन युअर फेवरेट चॅनल गोवा न्यूज हब. कीप वॉचिंग.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस? हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड। तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर इट। डन? डन। फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गए हैं।
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट कार बुक करें?
ओके।
ओके। अरे यार, ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है।
अरे हाँ, गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं।
ओके।
भैया हमें रेंट बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया, पावरफुल, स्टाइलिश।
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए।
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह नाइस।
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट कार नहीं लिया, वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था।
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है।
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है।
ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फन।
यस।
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.